Hey guys, today we're going to check out the Rock and Rocker Smart Meat Thermometer here. Very excited to give this a shot. Let's unbox it quickly, shall we? First we have the directions. Let's see here. Here's the unit itself. Big display on that. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 probes. And it also comes with batteries. So while I'm installing these batteries, I noticed these neat little gadgets here are for rolling up and storing the probes, which is very handy. Okay, we installed the batteries and there we go. Nice bright display. Okay, now we're going to use the Smart Life app. Download the app and allowed Bluetooth to connect to devices, and then we automatically discovered device, so we're going to add the Smart Meat Thermometer, and that's it. The list of probes are available. Let's plug in a few. So I'll just note there are 6 slots for probes, as you can see here, and I switched in the app. You can switch over to Fahrenheit. And I'm just pinching this with my finger to make the temperature go up. And there you can see the temperature being red. And then we can pick what we want here as far as temperature. So we're gonna say, I'm a medium rare person. So we're gonna select medium rare. Hit confirm. Okay. Now that we're all set up, I have a steak seasoned up here, ready to go. It's been resting. We're gonna take the probe and we're gonna put it in the thickest part of the meat. Now this one happens to be evenly thick, so we're gonna stick it right through the middle of the meat to get the temperature reading as it cooked. So there we are, 55 degrees. This has been resting at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Here we are outside on the grill. Had it preheating for quite some time now. So we're going to place it right on. So following this along on my smartphone here, it does match this temperature. You can see the target and the current temp. We've been cooking for about 5 minutes here. We're going to flip it in another minute. Okay, we just did about 6 minutes aside. We're at 108. I'm now going to turn the grill down to low and close it to let it finish cooking. All right, we're just about there. We're at 139. Let's see if I get an alarm here. There we go. Okay, so great test run, on to the review. This thing performed, I guess, exactly as I expected it to, and maybe a little bit more. The app is clean, it is efficient, it works well. The screen is very large, easy to read. It does come with batteries, it links up easily to the app. Measure the temperature the whole way. I was able to monitor from in the kitchen the temperature out on the grill, no problem at all. I mean, overall, what more can you ask for this? You can measure up to 6 different temperatures at the same time. I'm envisioning crock pots this would be a good one to use in a roast in a crock pot, monitor the internal temperature like that. So works great, clean, slick, easy to use. App is really good. So really not much more you can ask out of this, and it cooked my steak to a perfect medium rare.